guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a usual Walmart weekly grocery haul. Everything here, the only thing that's not pictured here are two of the lightweight cat litters, which are pretty expensive. They're like $16 each. I bought two of those. So those two cat litters, which are still in my car, along with all this stuff, was about $200. So a little bit more than I usually spend per week. I try to stay around $150. But obviously with cat supplies and stuff, it bumps it up. So I'm going to start on this side as usual and work my way over. There were a lot of high ticket non-food items that I had to purchase this week. Otherwise my total would have been well under that usual $150. So a couple of the higher ticket items are right here. They are the Febreze plug-in things. I got the, this is like a fresh, kind of has a masculine scent to it. So they're just the plugins. If you've been following my channel for a while, you probably know that I used to use the Bath & Body Works Wallflower plugins for years. But I just switched, I don't know, maybe going on 2 years ago, like a year and a half ago, to these. And we do go through quite a bit. We have a three-floor home, and we use, you know, these on every floor. So there's always a minimum of 3 going at the same time. We have one in our basement, one in our main level, like living room area, and then one upstairs. So again, I try to buy them in the 3-packs because it's just more cost effective. They're about $12.94 each pack. I also got the Finish dishwasher cleaner pellet things, pods. I use one of these every 2 weeks. I got some blackberries. My son has been in a blackberry phase lately, so I grabbed those. I also got sweet cherry tomatoes because I'm going to do a spinach salad this week. I got some stew meat because I want to do a beef stew. I want to get one last batch of stew in before the cooler weather is completely gone and we're into more mild weather. I did get these TGI Friday wings. Yes, I know they're not healthy. They're just the buffalo wings, but I don't buy a lot of things like this, and most of you know that if you've been watching me for a while, but I just thought this would be a really easy option to have one night, even if it's just with like a salad, because my son goes to martial arts now. He's been going to martial arts just over a month, and he does go 3 times per week, so our evening schedules are a lot more hectic than they used to be. So I thought this would be, like I said, just an easy something to make with a salad on a night where we have to leave in a rush. I also got some strawberries for my son. My husband likes them. I'm not a huge strawberry fan as far as the actual fruit. I got the Great Value just plastic spoons. I use these when I pack my husband like yogurt or, you know, something that he, you know, anything spoon related. When I have to pack a lunch, I like to use these so I don't worry about them getting thrown out accidentally, because these are just easy and disposable. I got some of these Hostess iced little cake things to pack in Matt's lunches, some Great Value yogurt tubes for Grady, some Great Value sausage, egg, and cheese croissants for my husband. I have been making his breakfast sandwiches from bagels and different English muffins, but I want to always have those in the freezer, but he does obviously prefer when I make them homemade, so I will continue to do that. I got these Kellogg's fruit snacks in the mixed berry, one of the Minute Maid zero sugar in the pink lemonade, some bananas, a couple of these Hormel Natural Choice chicken cheddar, and these also have dark chocolate covered almonds in them. They're just like little snack packs I can throw in Matt's lunches. I got pepper jack cheese sticks for Matt's lunches. I got mozzarella cheese for a recipe that I have to make on Saturday for Easter. And then I got my Kraft sharp cheddar. I normally like the sharp cheddar in the Sargento brand, but they did not have any. So I had to get the next best thing, which is Kraft. I got the Mezzetta Parmigiano Reggiano sauce because I'm going to do sausage and spinach stuffed shells, and this is a sauce I'm going to use. I'm going to prep that dish on Saturday because it's for Easter Sunday. I had to get some greeting cards, which are so expensive, but I had to get a card from Grady to my mom. It's her birthday, Easter weekend. My mother-in-law's birthday is next weekend, so I got a card from Grady to her. And then I also got a birthday card from me and my husband to my mom for her birthday. And had to buy those. I got turkey from the deli. This is a honey turkey. It just looked really good, so I picked that up. Cat food's starting to come back. The aisle is starting to come alive, which I'm guessing is a good sign. I did try to get this on Chewy.com. It was sold out, so I do have to have this for my cat. So I did pick up one of these 12 packs. The aisle looked pretty abundant, so I'm banking on the fact that it's gonna be back now, so I don't have to worry about buying like 2 or 3 boxes at a time. Some Danimals little shooter cup smoothies. This is the cotton candy and strawberry. This is just something for my son's Easter basket. He likes this Ryan Toy Review kid from YouTube, and this is just like a little toothbrush, spin brush, battery powered brush, and a little toothpaste set that I'm gonna put in Grady's Easter basket. It's actually the last thing that I need for the basket. Some ricotta cheese, again for those spinach, sausage, stuffed shells. I got some Clorox toilet wand refills because this is what we use to clean our toilets, and we go through them quite a bit. I love these SOS pads. I've been using these for literally 15 years. I mainly use them to clean our stainless steel sink. They don't scratch it, they shine it, they're just really good. So I get these all the time. I actually got these for my mom and dad. I don't think my mom's gonna like them, but I want my dad to try these because I love these. You guys know, if you've been watching for a little bit, I discovered these semi-recently and fell in love. We have them on Amazon auto delivery, but I did want to get them for my dad for a little treat. Some good old tampons, because if you're a lady or a woman, you know. This is just like the variety one. It's the jumbo pack, so it's got like light, regular, and super. Just the most cost effective. Some Great Value family napkins. Some Pringle individual original cups for lunches, snacking. I also got 2 bags of the Cape Cod dark russet. Most of you know my husband's obsessed with the dark russet chips, so I got one for the snack cabinet and one for a backup because he's been like blowing through those chips. But I think that's everything. I don't think I left anything out, at least I hope not. Sometimes I skip an item by accident. But yeah, this is what I picked up for the week. Again, just shy of $200 with the cat litter, and I'm gonna share now my meal plan for the upcoming week. All right guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week. As you know, this weekend is Easter. I actually love Easter. It's one of my favorite holidays, and we are doing 2 separate Easters, because, well, actually 3. So we're gonna have our own, obviously, Easter celebration here at our house on Sunday, and then we're going to go to my in-laws' house and my parents' house, both on Sunday. My in-laws and my parents are both fully vaccinated, so that's awesome. And things, I think I've mentioned several times previously that things are really loosening up here. Luckily where we live, it's a very rural area, so we never really had a huge issue with the spread compared to like bigger cities. But anyways, Sunday we are having pretty much essentially similar dinners at my in-laws and my parents, just 2 different times of the day. So at my in-laws, we're gonna have ham, stuffed cabbage, and I think like scalloped potatoes. And then at my mom's, we're gonna have ham, roasted potatoes, sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna make some stuffed shells. And then on Monday, we're gonna have leftovers from Easter because we're gonna be bringing home leftovers from 2 dinners. So Monday we'll enjoy those for dinner, which will be great. One night we're going to do those TGI Friday chicken wings and then a salad. We do go to jiu-jitsu 3 nights a week, so that'll be one of those nights. I'm going to use that stew beef to make a beef and veggie stew in the crock pot. Yeah, I have all the veggies, I have the meat as you saw, and I do have the crock pot stew seasoning packet. It's like a McCormick packet. So I'll go ahead and throw that in the crock pot again on a night when we have jiu-jitsu and we have to leave pretty early. I'm going to do shrimp with veggie skewers on the grill. I'm also going to do some rice on the side and salad. I'll probably try and do extra that night, so I have leftovers for either myself for lunch or Matt to take for lunch. I'm going to do the Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana in the crock pot with a salad and bread. That's one of my favorite soups. I do have videos on that soup. I have a crock pot version and a stovetop version, so I'll link it down below in the description box. And then of course I have my freebie night, which I can do leftovers. Sometimes we do takeout, sometimes we go to my parents. It just kind of whatever is, you know, in the mood, whatever I'm in the mood for that night. But that's the meal plan. I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you have a wonderful Easter with your families. And I will see you guys next week.